So first I want to introduce my mentor. Like she said, her name is Smriti. She goes to MIT and she has experience in computer science and analytics, and she's really awesome, and I want to thank her so much. So my original prototype was I wanted to make an app designed to track dogs. I wanted to make this app available to Android and iPhone users. So we made a website that can be linked to an app. And taking that, we decided to go to Code Academy and get some HTML and CSS lessons to learn about how to create and design a website. And we also used Bootstrap, which is a framework for CSS, which allows you to do some CSS styling, which is easier than you writing out all the code. And I also used Sublime to develop the software and publish it via GitHub, which is a database where you can post all of your codes. So I was focused more on the website design than the content and the functionality of the tracker. So I decided to just mainly focus on designing. I finally added it to an iOS app to make it compatible on the iPhone instead of the Android because I have an iPhone. So I want to talk about what Magic has taught me. So it was really fun to catch up every week with her, and she was really understanding about my appendicitis surgery. We both had the same type of interest in coding, and I really appreciate her help. It was really enjoyable to code and learn more things. And when we finished code correctly, it was really satisfying because when it works, it's just a really good feeling. So I also updated it to GitHub, like I said, and I think that it's so cool that I can make a website from my own computer and see it on my friends as well. I also learned how to be a leader, as Magic and my mentor taught me how to schedule, plan, and stay on task. So for my demo, I'm going to actually show you the app, but this is just 2 screenshots of what the main page looks like. And if I could add any extra elements, I'd probably add the actual tracker, because that was my original prototype, and just make it actually function. I'd also like to add actual accounts so users could have a private base to use. The reason I decided to make this app is I really wanted to do something good for the world, and I really love dogs, so I decided to do this. Thank you for your attention.